Class 12. Now we are continuing the chapter exercise 7 integration by parts. Now sum number 3 now. Integral x tan inverse x dx. Okay. Now here the two functions are x and one function. One is algebraic function, one is inverse function. What is written here? I let rule. That means I at first I, then it's coming a. So I will be taken as the first function and a will be taken as the second function. So here I means the inverse function, it will be taken as the u function and it will be taken as the v function. Okay, so what we will write? U integral according to the formula, that means u integral v dx minus integral dx into integral v dx. Okay, now tan inverse x integral x dx, we know that is equals to x squared by 2 minus d dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x squared into integral, this is coming x squared by 2 dx. Okay, so take it outside, x squared by 2 tan inverse x minus integral half taken out. So this is coming x squared by 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, so x squared by 2 tan inverse x minus half integral x squared by 2, so we can write it as x squared plus 1 minus 1, that we can write 1 plus x squared dx. X squared by 2 tan inverse x minus half integral x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 is coming only 1, so make it integral dx minus integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Got it? Now this is coming x square by 2 tan inverse x minus half integral dx means x minus integral 1 by 1 plus x square, that is coming 1 by a tan inverse x by a means here 1, so we can write here only tan inverse x into 1 by x square plus a square, or 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square, obviously we know this is tan inverse x formula. So tan inverse x plus c. Okay, so what we will write? X square by 2 tan inverse x minus x by 2 minus minus plus half tan inverse x plus c. Okay, so half tan inverse x we can take it outside, that means as a common factor. So half tan inverse x taken out, so it's coming x square plus 1 minus x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, now let me rub the board. Next is sum number 7. 4, 5, 6 you can do on your own, that's why I'm not doing now. Next sum number 7. Many sums are there. Practice all the sums. Sum number 7. Integral log root x whole square dx. Okay, this is the only logarithmic function, so we can write I let logarithmic function at first, then algebraic function, so we will consider L as the first function, A as the second function. Here what is the algebraic rule? That is equals to 1 into log root x whole square dx. Okay, here 1 is the algebraic function and log root x is the logarithmic function. So we know a logarithmic function will consider as first function, so it will be u. That means log root x whole square integral dx minus integral log root x whole square into integral dx whole integral dx. This is the according to the rule. Okay, so it is coming integral dx means only x. So what we will write? And Look, this is log root x. Log root x means log x to the power half whole square. Okay, so what we will write, and then integral dx means only x minus integral ddx of log root x whole square. It is coming 2 log root x into 1 by root x into 1 by 2 root x by chain rule into integral dx means x to dx. Okay, so according to the logarithmic rule, log x to the power a equals to a log x. So what we will write? Half log x whole square into x minus integral 2 log root x, and root x into root x is coming only x, and these two will be cancelled. So what we will get? Log root x by x, and this x is also there, that will also be cancelled. So let us write only x, and here it is x into dx. So this x and this x will be cancelled, so we will get only log root x there. So x into half whole square means 1 by 4. So right here into 1 by 4 and log x whole square. This is coming log x whole square minus integral x will be cancelled. So log root x means log x to the power half. So we can write here half log x dx. That is better. Okay. And this half now we can take outside the integration sign. So what we will write now? This is coming x by 4 in x by 4 log x whole square minus half, take it outside, integral log x. This we know very well how it is coming, integral log x by logarithm by parts rule. So x by 4 log x whole square minus half. Now integral log x, we cannot take this log x as integration function. We will consider this log x as same as before, as differentiable function. So this will be considered as u function and one will be considered as v function. Then what we will write? Again same as before, log x u integral v dx minus integral du dx into integral v dx whole integral dx. Okay, now it's coming x by 4, then it is log x whole square minus half log x, integral dx is again x, so x minus integral ddx of log x is 1 by x, integral dx is again x, then it is dx. Then what we will write? X by 4 log x whole square minus half x log x minus x cancel, integral dx means only x, so a minus x. Okay, then what will be the answer? We'll write x by 4 x by 4, it is coming log x whole square minus 2 log x minus 2 log x, because x by 4 is taken out, so this x taken out, so it will be only 2 log x. X by 2 is there, it will be 2 log x only. It will be 2 log x, and as x is taken out, so it will be plus 2, because this minus this is coming plus, so plus 2 plus c. This is your answer. Okay. Okay, next I'm coming with new video.